All right, so what is a summary? We're going to do a teach okay. I don't know if you remember that. A teach okay on what is a summary. So I'm going to do the hand motions first. Then you'll do the hand motions with me. And then you'll do the hand motions and the words with moi, with me. Okay. A summary, which in Spanish is un resumen, is a small explanation. I'm explaining something to someone. A small explanation of what you read. It includes the main ideas, right? Main ideas are big ideas, and a few supporting details. Just gonna few supporting details. All right, so now you do the hand motions with me, just the hand motions, not the words yet. A summary is a small explanation, explaining something, a small explanation of what you read. It includes the main ideas and a few supporting details. All right, so now you are going to do the hand motions with me and you're going to say the words that I say. A summary. You should be saying a summary. A summary is a small explanation of what you read. It includes the main ideas and a few supporting details. Okay, I want you to go up to somebody in your house or apartment or wherever you're staying and share what is a summary and use those. See if you remember the hand motions. What is a summary? And if you want to know, is summary in Spanish un resumen, una pequeña explicación de lo que leíste, e incluye las ideas principales y algunos detalles de apoyo. You could even do it in Spanish. Challenge. Go share with somebody. What is a summary?